wideness of the neck is 17 inches and the length of the collar is 2 inches. But I'm going to measure out 17 and I'll add my sewing allowance, making 18 inches by 3 inches. I'll cut that out first. 18 by 3. The 3 is folded into 2. I have 18 inches by 3 and folded into 2. I'm going to measure 1 inch on the 2 sides. I'm going to measure 1 inch. And the middle, I'm going to measure 1 inch. So on the sides, I have my 1 inch at the base of my straight cut, and at the middle, I have it at the top. This is my 1 inch. On this side, this is my 1 inch. So, cutting it out, I'm going to slant from the top of the sides to meet with this 1 inch measurement. And from the middle, which is the base, is going to meet with the 1 inch I measured out. So I'm going to cut it out now. Now the next one I'm going to cut, the round neck measurement is 17 inches, and I'm going to divide it into 2 so that one will fall on the right and the other on the left hand side. So 17 divided by 2 will give us 8.5 inches. The 8.5 inches, I'm going to add 2 inches to it, and that will give us 10.5 inches. So the length is going to be 3 inches, that's folded into 2, 3 inches by 10.5 inches. That's what I'll cut out. And of course, I'm going to add my sewing allowance of 1 inch. That will give us 11.5. So I'll measure 2 of that, 11.5 by 3 inches. Now remember, the normal measurement is 8.5. That's 17. The round neck measurement divided by 2, 8.5. So the normal neck measurement is 8.5 inches. We added 2 to the length to give us 10.5. So on each side, I'm going to measure 1 inch and of course 1 inch, and I'll slanting to the folding. I'm going to measure 1 inch and I'll slanting it. So what I'll do is just to fold into 2 and measure the 1 inch, and I'll slanting it to the edge of my folding. Yeah. So we need to attach our stage to this. I'm going to iron that now. Remember, we need 2 of this. So I'm going to iron this to my fabric.
Sure.
Now, first thing, I'm going to close the edges of the straight parts. I'm going to close all the 2 edges. I'm going to turn inside out. Good. So now I need to get the middle of this folded into two to get the middle. Now from this middle, I'm going to start my joining, one on this and the other starting from the middle as well. So I'm going to join together. Wow. I'm blushing. Okay, so let's continue. The next